And so I want to really talk to people with weight loss issues because I've been there. I didn't get to 600 pounds overnight. Like, hey, it was a struggle, and there was a lot of dieting in there, and there was a lot of negative self-talk and a lot of feeling like a failure. But I didn't quit. I kept going through. And so if you're struggling with losing weight and you want to actually get the self-identity of someone who can lose weight easily or release weight, like I say, you have to change your habits. It doesn't matter what you're doing, you must change it. And there's two habits that you need to change. The first one needs to be your mindset around eating. Not eating, your mindset around eating. You have to reprogram yourself on what is healthy. So one of the things I would recommend is go find someone who is a fitness person. Don't go to the extreme. You can go somewhere with just eats a nice, healthy lifestyle. It doesn't have to be plant-based. It can be whatever you want. But someone who does it and they're showing you, okay, living this lifestyle, this is the healthy weight they're at or the body image that they're at that you would like to have also. And so that's the first one. You want to change your mindset around it because you have to develop new habits. And habits are a paradigm. They've been programmed in us. We usually do most of them habitually. Most of our living experience is habitually. Like, we don't think about 99% of the things we actually do. Just think about it. Like, if you drive a car, do you think about putting it in, cutting the ignition on, putting it in gear, hitting on the brake? You just go, you get in and you just do it. You don't think about it. It don't take any brain power to think about how to drive if you already know how to drive. It's habitually programmed inside your body. I mean, you can literally, and I've done this plenty of times where there was times I ended up pulling up at my house back in DeSoto, and I was like, damn, how'd I get home so quick? Because you can even black out and just be driving habitually because it's all in your muscle memory. Your body is programmed to do it. And so the second thing you want to actually do is to change if you really wanting to start lose weight is now you want to actually do one healthy thing each day. Commit to it. One healthy thing each day. It can be exercise, it can be eating. I personally say you should do eating because anything dealing with your health, 80% of it is going to come from what you eat. One of the biggest misconceptions we have in this world is like, oh, there's so many pre-genetic conditions and all of that. My family genetics. No, you have the family eating history. We all have a family food home. And if you want to break some of those family patterns, break the family food home, and I guarantee you'll start seeing results that everybody else in your family are not getting. I'm living proof of it. And so I hope you got some value from this. Also, just remember, man, like, attitude is one of the most important things. Like, I still work on this on a daily basis. I still do things. I still implement things. I still try new things. I'm still practicing on how to think better, how to be more positive, how to be happier. Like, really think about this.